Alright, thanks guys for tuning in. So, if you are familiar with our channel at all, or if you follow our adventures, you'll know that primarily we stay at state parks, county parks. We like places that are a little more out in nature, have a chance to see some wildlife. But every now and then, it is really nice to stay at an RV resort. They have amenities, full hookups. They have a swimming pool, which is a big one. When we sold the house, we knew that the biggest thing Dylan would probably miss would be the pool. Is that right?
Correct, very correct.
He misses that pool. So
yeah,
we promised him that we would stay at an RV resort during the summertime here in Florida that had a pool. And the first one we checked out is the one we're going to show you guys today, and that was Ocean Breeze RV Resort. Now, when we initially started looking into this place, we saw right away when we went to their website that it was a 55 and up community. So we pretty much wrote that one off. We didn't really investigate any further into it. And then just a few days later, we actually saw a family that we follow on Instagram started posting pictures from there. Actually, they posted pictures by the pool, and Erica asked, commented on the picture and asked, where this was, because the pool looked amazing, and we saw it said they were in Jensen Beach. So it turns out they were at Ocean Breeze. So to live in the community, you have to be 55 or over. But the RV resort is exempt from that. You don't have to be. So we were a little bit nervous at first about how, a couple of 40-year-olds with a 9-year-old kid would be received there. But as it turns out, it was great. All the people were fantastic that we met. We had a short stay there in June, just for a few days, just to kind of check it out, make sure it was cool, and we loved it. So we booked 3 weeks there in July, and that's what we're going to show you guys now.
Here's the view of the RV park from the top of the sun deck. Here's the view of the pool from the top of the sun deck. And here's the view of the lounge area underneath the sun deck.
So another great thing that we love about Ocean Breeze is over in the dog park here they have this dog bath area set up. So we gave Nix a bath here once already, so we're going to give her another one before we cut out of here. You can tell that Nix is thrilled about it. She loves it. So there you have it. I mean, as you can see, the park is beautiful. They're taking out some of the RV sites. They're going to keep all the pull-through sites in the center where we were at, but a lot of their other RV sites they're taking out to put in some more of the homes in there. But I would not let that dissuade you from checking this place out. I mean, it's awesome. The pool's awesome. If you go during the summertime, it's not crowded. It's not super busy at all. We really enjoyed it. So, you know, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Dylan, what was your favorite part of Ocean Breeze?
Okay, I think you guys both of you guys know that.
The pool.
Yes.
The pool.
The pool, yes.
The pool. The pool was pretty awesome. The pool was
Yep.
pretty awesome.
Yeah.
So, all right, guys. We'll catch you later.